How to make natural food coloring for cakes. Natural food coloring is a fun and healthy way to add vibrant colors to your cakes. Learn how to create your own natural food coloring using simple ingredients and techniques, making your baking more colorful and delicious. Introduction. Why natural food coloring? The rise of natural food coloring. In recent years, there's been a growing shift toward natural food coloring as consumers become more health conscious and environmentally aware. Parents, bakers, chefs, and food manufacturers alike are choosing natural options to avoid the risks linked with artificial dyes. Clean labels and transparency in ingredients have become major priorities, driving the demand for natural color sources derived from fruits, vegetables, herbs, and spices. The health benefits of natural food coloring artificial food dyes have been linked to various health concerns, including allergies, hyperactivity in children, and even long-term health risks. Natural food coloring eliminates these synthetic additives, offering a safer alternative that aligns with a wholesome lifestyle. These colorings often come with added benefits, like antioxidants from berries or anti-inflammatory properties from turmeric, making them not just safer but healthier. Creative potential. Natural ingredients open a world of creativity in the kitchen. From the deep purple of blueberries to the vibrant orange of carrots or the soft pink of beetroot, natural sources allow for endless color possibilities. DIY enthusiasts and food artists love experimenting with combinations to create stunning and safe edible masterpieces, proving that going natural doesn't mean compromising on beauty or fun. The power of plants. Ingredients for natural food coloring. Red. Purple powerhouse. Nature offers a stunning palette of reds and purples through ingredients like beets, berries, such as strawberries, raspberries, and blueberries, and red cabbage. Beets provide a deep magenta or red, perfect for frostings and batters. Berries give soft pinks and purples, ideal for smoothies or desserts. Red cabbage is especially funit, can turn purple or even blue depending on the pH level. A squeeze of lemon juice makes it bright pink, while baking soda shifts it to blue. These ingredients are not only colorful but also packed with antioxidants. Green, yellow magic. Vibrant greens and sunny yellows can be easily extracted from spinach, blended and strained. It gives a fresh, earthy green. It works great in doughs or icings. Turmeric, a golden yellow spice known for its earthy taste and health benefits. Just a pinch delivers strong color in rice, cookies, or drinks. Matcha powder is another popular green option with a bold shade and mild tea flavor. Beyond the rainbow. Natural food coloring isn't limited to basic rainbow shades. Earthy tones like orange and brown are easy to create too. Carrots and pumpkin can be cooked, pureed, or juiced to create a soft to bright orange tint. Coffee, cocoa, and even black tea offer rich browns, perfect for baked goods and glazes. These warm, natural tones add rustic beauty to any dish while keeping ingredients wholesome. Extraction techniques. Simple methods for vibrant colors. Infusing for color. One of the easiest ways to extract natural color is through infusion. Simply steep colorful ingredients like red cabbage, turmeric, or hibiscus petals in hot water. Let them sit for 10–30 minutes to allow the color to release into the liquid. Strain and cool the liquid before using it as a dye in batters, icing, or drinks. This method works especially well for dry or fibrous ingredients. Blending, straining for bolder, more concentrated colors. The blending and straining method is ideal. Blend fresh ingredients like beets, berries, spinach, or carrots with a little water. Once smooth, strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth to separate the liquid pigment from the pulp. The result is a rich, vibrant color base perfect for everything from smoothies to cake frosting. The power of acids can dramatically enhance or change natural colors. Add a few drops of lemon juice or vinegar to natural dyes to brighten hues, especially with pH-sensitive ingredients like red cabbage or blueberries. For example, red cabbage turns bright pink with lemon juice and blue with baking soda. Acids also help stabilize certain colors, preventing them from fading quickly in recipes. Cake decorating with natural food coloring. Simple Swirl's natural food coloring can be mixed directly into cake batters to create beautiful marble effects and color gradients. Use small amounts of beet juice, spinach extract, or blueberry puree, and gently swirl them into vanilla or white cake batter before baking. The result? Soft, artistic streaks of color that look stunning once sliced without the use of synthetic dyes. Creative patterns, frostings, and icings are the perfect canvas for experimenting with designs and textures. Use colored frostings made with matcha, turmeric, beet powder, or berry juice to pipe flowers, ombre layers, or watercolor-style decorations. Natural colors may be more muted than artificial ones, but they blend beautifully to create earthy, elegant tones and painterly effects, adding flavor, depth. Unlike artificial dyes, natural food coloring often brings subtle, unique flavors to your bakes. Beets add a mild earthiness that pairs well with chocolate. Turmeric contributes a light, citrusy zing great for lemon or ginger cakes. Berry extracts add a fruity note that complements vanilla or almond bases. These dual benefits color and taste make natural coloring a flavorful and creative choice for any cake project. Tips: Storage. Making natural food coloring last. Freezing for longevity. Natural food coloring doesn't have the shelf life of synthetic dyes, but freezing is an easy way to make it last. Pour your homemade color extracts into ice cube trays and freeze them. Once solid, transfer the cubes into airtight freezer-safe bags or containers. Label them with the ingredient and date for easy access later. This method preserves both color and potency for up to 3-6 months. Avoiding fading. Natural colors are more sensitive to light, air, and heat, so a few precautions help maintain their vibrancy. Store in dark, airtight containers in the refrigerator for short-term use. Add color after cooking whenever possible to avoid dulling. Acidic ingredients like lemon juice or vinegar can help certain colors, like purple cabbage or blueberry, stay bright. For baked goods, use foil or parchment to cover during baking if you're using surface designs. Experimentation, creativity. One of the joys of using natural food coloring is the chance to get creative. Try mixing different ingredients to create new shades, like combining beet and turmeric for coral tones or spinach and blueberry for teal. Adjusting concentration, pH levels, or cooking methods can create surprising effects. Keep a color journal to track your favorite combinations and results. It's part science, part art.